learn addition in different moduli. To add in different moduli is still the same way we had normally, but we convert our results to a number in the mode specified. The symbol is used to represent addition in modular arithmetic. So whenever we see this symbol, that means we are taking the addition in a specified mode. The plus sign in a circle. Let's look at some examples. Example, calculate the following in the mode specified. Okay, the first one, 3 plus 8 in mode 2. Okay, the second one, 11 plus 13 in mode 7. Solution. The first one, we have 3 plus 8. We have to simplify this in mode 2. Now the first thing we have to do is we add it normally. 3 plus 8. That gives us 11. But this 11, we have to convert it to a number we can have in mode 2. That is either 0 or 1. And to get that, we divide this 11 by 2 and pick the remainder. 11 divided by 2, that's 5, remainder 1. So that means 11 is equivalent to 1 in mode 2. So that means this is the answer for this addition in mode 2. The second example, we have 11 plus 13. The first thing, add the numbers together. 11 plus 13, that gives us 24. Now we have to specify it in mode 7, but we can't have 24 in mode 7. We can only have digits 0 to 7 minus 1, which is 6. So to do that, we divide 27 by the mode 7. How many 7 can we have in 24? We have 3, remainder 3. So that means 24 is equivalent to 3, the remainder, in mode 7. And that's how to perform addition in different moduli. Thank you.